Hey, welcome to Friday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. You're watching our morning live broadcast about the weather, and let's get right into it. We're going to talk about today and the weekend, and of course, if you have any travel questions, I will try to get to those too, so just rifle those off in the comments section, but let's get started here. All right, on the radar, and you probably noticed this too, you see quite a bit of returns, and actually, my house is right about there, and you can see returns, and I don't see anything falling out of the sky. So I think some of this is a loft, which tells me that it's probably not as widespread as what it looks like on this radar right now. That's southeastern Michigan. We'll go over to western Michigan, and kind of the same thing showing. Now, when you do get to the greens and the darker blues, that is most likely hitting the ground. So there's some lake effect bands of snow, not real well put together, an inch or two here and there that you can find, or a scattered stretch that might be covered with some snow. It is cold enough for the roads to hold the snow if we haven't had any salt on those roads. Radar forecast shows you that really not much is going to be real well put together. It's going to dwindle some as we go through the day. Hey, Lucinda gives a great report. She says light flurries in Ypsi. So thank you. Snowing lightly in Flint. Hey, how are the roads if anybody's, say, worked third shift and come home or been out? How is I-75 or I-69 or I-96? Anything like that? Let's get some road reports here. So radar forecast shows really not much. I would say there's probably more lake effect that's going to happen than what this model shows. But again, it will be kind of disorganized and fairly spotty. Here's the snowfall total forecast from that model, and you're looking at an inch or less. And again, I think it's spotty. Could I please turn winter off? I wish I could. Steve says light snow in Battle Creek. Okay, thank you. Appreciate that. So a lot of places reporting light snow. Temperature-wise, we won't get a lot of help. Yeah, Justin has to go to Detroit and back in the next 6 hours. I think you're going to be pretty good. Here are the high temperatures for today. We won't get a lot of help from Mother Nature, but we have found the last couple of days that when the temperature gets to about 30, 31, the pavement warms up and things turn wet. So I think we're going to be pretty good today. Bill wants to know any pattern changes on the horizon. Yeah, as we get toward Friday, Saturday of next week, we'll start to see at least a few day pattern change. I'm not going to say it's a permanent pattern change, but a few days into warmer weather. So we're looking at 34 in Detroit and Ann Arbor today. We're looking at 31 in Flint, 33 in Saginaw Bay City, 34 in Grand Rapids, 34 in Kalamazoo, and upper 20s in the north and across the UP. So again, the low 30s above freezing certainly will melt anything off of the roads. And then folks want to know when the warm weather will start. Well, let's get into the weekend first and see if you have any travel woes for the weekend. And the long story short is you do not have any travel woes. So I'm not going to make it a long story. This is Saturday and pretty much no weather system around the area. Robert, do you have a 10-day? Yes, I need next weekend forecast, please. Okay, yeah, we'll head to that in just a second here. Let me get through the weekend, and this is Sunday. And again, nothing going on. There's a storm system forming to the south, but not on Sunday. So if you're traveling this weekend, no travel problems. It will be cold in the morning, so you can find frosty roads sometimes, but no travel problems. All right, and bear with me here. I'm gonna zoom into folks who want to kind of know about next week. We're going to turn cold, northerly wind, snow showers early next week. Looks like the temperatures bottom about Wednesday. And then this is Thursday, and the winds start to turn around to the west. These blue lines, and then the red line shows me warmer air coming in from the west. And we're into we're into Thursday afternoon, so we're starting to get a return flow. So if you're looking for warmer weather, it will happen pretty quickly. Hey, good morning, Deb Vitani. It will happen pretty quickly. This is Friday, southwesterly flow. All the models are showing kind of the similar thing. Now, where they diverge, someone asked about the weekend next week. This U.S. model starts to show, well, both of them start to show storm systems, actually, I should say, and milder temperatures. So we might get into some rain showers on next weekend, but right now it looks like it's going to be pretty mild. So there you have it today. Cold temperatures, spotty snow. Just be on the lookout for a scattered slick spot. Things should improve through the day, especially if we get to 32 or greater. No problems for traveling on the weekend, even though it will be wintry temperatures. The sunshine will be back, and that will help. Cold starts, and then mid to upper 30s during the afternoons under sunshine. And tough it out through next Wednesday. It'll be fully wintry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as far as temperatures go. Some snow showers in the air, and then we start a gradual turn. I'm not convinced that it's a permanent one, but I think we'll get about a 5-day period where we get warmer than normal temperatures. Okay, Robert Chapman picking up a larger camper next Friday. Should be pretty good right now. I think you have a pretty good chance that you're going to be above freezing. That's the big battle, and right now it looks dry. So just keep asking, Robert, and good luck on that camper there. Getting to that time of the year, isn't it? Michigan City, Indiana this weekend, that will be dry also after the snow showers end this morning. So you'll have no problems there either. I'm going to let you go now. You guys have a safe and fun weekend. This is